Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable dark mode on your YouTube. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store and then download the YouTube app. And if your YouTube is already downloaded, make sure you update your YouTube app. And now once it's updated, simply open the app. Now, as you can see, my YouTube is currently on light mode. So to switch to dark mode, tap on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then go to settings. After that, tap on the second option, which is general, and there the third option you can see appearance. Tap on it and then you can see three options. The first one is use device theme, the second is dark theme, and the third is light theme. So what use device theme does is, if your iPhone is on light mode, your YouTube app will also be light mode. But if your iPhone is on dark mode, your YouTube will also be dark mode. So to do this, you'll have to refresh the app. You can simply close the app and then reopen it. And now you can see that dark mode has been enabled on your YouTube. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.